Thank you. Hi, it's me again. I wanted to do an unboxing to show everyone my new video camera. No, I'm not currently using it, and I do think it's kind of weird. I took the idea from Daniel. He suggested that I do an unboxing video to show off my new video camera, but I'm like, that's kind of weird. But what happens if the sound stops? The sound stops working because I've been having issues with my sound. It just cuts out, so who knows what's going to happen with this. But if it happens again with this video, I'll just dub over it, I suppose. So without further ado, let me show you what I got. I ordered a video camera from B&H Photo, which is located in New York City, and a flash drive and an SD card. Both of them are 64 gigabytes. Let me show you the memory card and the flash drive first. So I started cutting this open because I didn't want to spend too much time doing this, because I want to keep this as fast as possible, only because I don't want the sound to go out while I'm filming. The shorter the better. So from B&H Photo and something else, this tape actually got cut. They must have screwed up the printer on the receipt, but it's okay. Let's not judge. So I ordered a Canon camera. Oh, I had discounts. Not how. I don't know if it was a discount code or some kind of sale that was going on for President's Day. It was for President's Day, so maybe it was, I don't remember. I got some deals on some electronics and accessories. I've never been to B&H, but an old friend of mine who does photography told me all about it. It's where he gets most of his equipment from. And also, coincidentally, Daniel, my boyfriend, knows all about it too. So it's something that we share. I do videos and Daniel does stills. And sometimes motion too. I do mostly videos. Back when I was younger, I did a lot of film pictures, but not as much as I do now. I like to be active. I like to be in action. So this is the flash drive that I bought. It's 64 gigabytes. It's from, I don't know who this is, SP, Silicon Power. And this one's supposed to be very fast. When I did my searches on these things that I bought, I did searches for like best or whatever, so these are supposed to be pretty good. And it's really pretty. Here, let me put this down and show you. So this is that. Can you see it? And then it's like makeup. I got the PNY 64 gigabyte Go SD card. It says Elite Performance, and it's ideal for like professional cameras, video cameras, HD cameras, whatever kind of cameras. I'm not really sure what this is. 4K Ultra HD, includes photo recovery. There's a trial software offer. I don't know if I care for that. And this is that. And the next part is my camcorder, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I honestly forgot what I ordered, but again, I tried finding like within my budget what I was looking to spend the best of the best. And Daniel was so helpful. He actually like helped me look these up while I'm looking on my computer, like all these different models. And he looked it up on his phone, I think, or computer, whatever it was, just to like check and see what it is, like what is it that we're getting ourselves into, or what am I getting myself into. So I bought the Canon Vixia HF-R80 HD camcorder, which was originally $299. And I got it for $249. I saved $50 on the camera. I told Daniel I want to go no more than $300 because you could get an even better camera for like thousands. And I was like, I don't have that kind of money. So this is what I got. So yeah, the name, this one actually printed okay. It's B&H Photo Video Pro Audio. It's on 9th Avenue. And all the cool kids go there. So this camera, this is the box. I didn't even open this up yet. I haven't looked at it yet. So if it's broken, I'll give you a set, but I'm sure it's not. I usually do well with B&H. So, I'm sorry, my hand's picking me up. It's the Vixia HFR80 camera. It comes with 16 gigabytes of internal storage, but I usually don't do that because you can retrieve it. At least that's my experience. But this camera is very much, it's more high tech than the one that I have. It's similar to my old one that I had, which was a Sony HD. I can't see what it says, but my original camera cost about the same, but I got that one years ago, and this one's about the same price today. So I thought it was pretty comparable, but this is like, oh shoot, I almost dropped on the floor. This is the next step up. I forgot what the special features are, but I'm gonna try to figure this out. Okay, on the back it says it's Wi-Fi certified. I don't know what this symbol means. Highlight priority, slow, fast motion. Don't know what this is. Canon Connect station, intelligent IS, HD video lens. I don't know. I don't understand all this. It has HDMI. Compatible. This one also has a Bluetooth, right? Or something. Well, the Wi-Fi, it can connect to the inner one, which I don't think my old camera had capabilities of doing. With the manual and this postcard thing to register, I guess. And it comes with all these different cables that I'm finding out now. I don't remember. This is one. Don't know what this is for. And I guess it connects to my computer maybe. The plug to charge it, I'm guessing. It comes with a big fat battery pack. That's what I remember from the web. Another cable, and I'm not the most tech-savvy person. This is the battery in person. It doesn't look as big as it did in the photos, but it kind of is how things work. It's not as big as it looks in the picture. So, oh, this camera is so sleek and so tiny. I can't believe it. Before I decided to purchase this camera, we had to make sure that it took SD cards because that's what I'm used to doing, and it's convenient for me. I just put it in my camera, use it up, and then put it in my MacBook Pro laptop to edit. Usually, when I film on my camera, it's easier that way to store the footage, and I go back and forth with it. Like I put it in my laptop when I need it, take it out, put it back in the camera, whatever. It's easy to store. So this is the camera. It's pretty lightweight. The battery's gonna stick on here in the back, and you just hold it like this. It has the strap thing. My other one has one too. This one's actually pretty comfortable. I like it. And it says 57x advanced zoom, and it has the built-in memory. You open it up, I just got it dirty, and you can see what you're filming that way on the screen, and you could also turn it, which is like the one that I have now. I forgot to do it tonight. I could have done it, but that's, oh my god, it's funny. I asked you, Daniel, to get up and help me see what I look like, and I forgot. I could just do it myself. Oh my god. Sometimes you just need another person to help you out. That's what it is. So I could flip this, so you could see, or I could see, or whatever, someone could see. The on-off buttons on the inside, and play buttons on the inside. My other camera, it's on here. I think. No, it goes on when you open it up. All the little inputs and outputs are inside on the actual body of this. And this is the start-stop button right here. The zoom. This button opens it up. This little switchy thingy on the side here. And I will better understand it once I put the battery, like I charge the battery and I put it on and like get this thing going. I probably should, I don't know if I'm going to do another video after this just to like show you what it's like in motion, because I'm not really a tech person. But I just wanted to show you all what I got. Oh, that's to put the card in. Oh, that's cool. So you like flip this thing here. How do I get it to close? Oh, you go like that. That's where you put your SD card. Open. Close. So it's all in this little base here. 32x optical zoom. Optical image stabilizer. I don't know what all these words mean, but that's the camera. And that's that. So if anybody has any questions or feedback or video ideas, please let me know in the comments. Like the video if you like it. You could dislike it too, but I hope you like it. I'm gonna put this back in here so I don't break it. And I'll play with it later. That's what I'm gonna do. So please, before you leave here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you're alerted every time I post a new video. Like, comment, and follow me on my social media. I have a number of places you can follow me on all over my channel and my descriptions or my description box, all over my channel, and just follow away. Also, I have a number of coupon codes if you're into makeup, and other places like Influenster where you can review things, but this video isn't about Influencer, it's about B&H photo and my electronics that I ordered. Thank you all again, and I will see you all soon. Bye.